truly powerful workhorse generator. This is the WGen 7500 by Westinghouse, an open-frame portable generator producing up to 9,500 peak watts and up to 7,500 running watts. The dependable OHV Westinghouse engine delivers long run times, making it an ideal choice for home backup power with plenty of ways to connect, including the transfer switch-ready twist lock outlet and 2 dual 120-volt outlets. The push-button start, remote start key fob, digital data center, and host of built-in safety features make it a smart, versatile solution to your portable power needs. The WGen 7500 portable generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.
The power of a traditional generator in an efficient portable package. This is the smart, versatile iGen 2200 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. Designed with performance and efficiency in mind, the eco-friendly iGen 2200 uses a fraction of the fuel it takes to operate a traditional generator, yet delivers enough power to keep home essentials up and running during an outage. Plus, it's portable, perfect for tailgating, the campsite, or wherever your adventures take you. Be green and save green with the iGen 2200. At its core is a dependable, variable-speed OHV Westinghouse engine, allowing the iGen 2200 to automatically adjust engine speed, producing only the power you need, saving fuel and money. Designed to meet the highest emission standards, a convenient switch allows you to select efficiency mode for the most economical operation possible. The control panel features 2 120-volt outlets, plus 2 USB ports. Digital inverters create a clean, stable power so you can safely operate sensitive devices like smartphones, TVs, and computers. And with up to 2,200 peak watts, you'll have the power you need for larger household appliances and equipment. Need more power? Simply connect the iGen 2200 to a second Westinghouse inverter generator with the optional parallel cable, and the 2 units are ready to work as one. Inverters are quiet. The iGen 2200 can run at volumes around or below normal conversation, making it well suited for close quarters, power outages, camping, and tailgating. The powerful, eco-friendly, quiet, and efficient iGen 2200 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. A smarter, greener solution for your portable power needs.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3,500-watt RV-ready dual-fuel portable generator. This unit can run on propane or gasoline straight out of the box, and the reliable Champion 208cc engine provides dependable power wherever you need it, for your next project, or to run a few essential household items during a power outage. And this unit comes travel-ready with a standard 30-amp RV outlet to easily bring power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the generator. Add oil to the generator. Move the unit outside. Add gasoline. or connect your propane supply. And select the fuel source. Start the generator and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 3500 watt dual fuel generator, the perfect source for portable, dependable power.